Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're shopping for a high-quality carry-on suitcase that combines durability, function, and sleek design, this video is for you. Today we're counting down 3 of the best premium carry-on suitcases you can buy in 2025. The Monos Hybrid Trunk, the Away Bigger Carry-On, and the Briggs & Amp Riley Baseline Domestic Expandable Spinner. Let's get started. First up is the Monos Hybrid Trunk, which retails for around $425. This suitcase stands out with its aluminum frame paired with polycarbonate panels, creating a sleek but sturdy design. It opens vertically like a classic trunk, making it great for longer trips where you need to pack a lot. One of the biggest pros is that it has no zippers. Instead, it uses dual latch closures that feel secure and premium. The wheels glide smoothly and the handle is stable, which adds to the overall travel experience. Inside, you get compression straps and a soft close divider that help keep things organized. But there are a few cons to note. It's heavier than typical carry-on luggage, so if you're flying with strict airline weight limits, that might be an issue. It's also not expandable, which limits flexibility, and the price may be steep for some travelers. Still, if you're going for style, structure, and security, the hybrid trunk is an impressive option. Next is the Away Bigger Carry-On, priced at about $295. This one is a crowd favorite and for good reason. It's lightweight, durable, and fits in most overhead bins, while still offering generous space. One of the key pros is the built-in removable battery that lets you charge your devices on the go, super useful in airports. It also has smooth spinner wheels, an internal compression system, and comes in a wide range of colors. The design is modern and minimalist, and the overall weight is easy to manage. On the downside, it uses zippers instead of latches, which may not feel as premium or secure. The shell, while strong, is more flexible than rigid, and some users have experienced wear on the wheels after repeated heavy use. Still, for the price, the Away Bigger Carry-On is one of the best values out there at only $300. Last on my list is the Briggs & Amp Riley Baseline Domestic Carry-On Expandable Spinner, which sells for around $599. This is the most expensive option on the list, but it's packed with thoughtful features. Made from ballistic nylon, it resists wear, moisture, and abrasion. What sets it apart is its patented CX compression expansion system, which allows you to expand the bag for more space, and then compress it down to meet carry-on requirements. It also includes a hybrid fiberglass frame, making it lightweight yet highly durable. Pros include a smooth handling experience, lots of organizational compartments, and an unbeatable lifetime guarantee, even covering airline damage. That said, it's not a hard-shell case, which may be a drawback for those who prioritize rigid protection, and at nearly $600, it's a serious investment. But for road warriors who want something they'll never have to replace, it's one of the best in class. So which suitcase is right for you? If you're looking for a stylish, secure, and zipper-free design, the Monos Hybrid Trunk is hard to beat. If you want something modern, tech-savvy, and travel-friendly, the Away Bigger Carry-On is a great mid-range pick. And if you're focused on long-term durability and functional features, the Briggs & Amp Riley Baseline will serve you well for years to come. Let us know in the comments which one you're bringing on your next flight. And don't forget to check the links in the description for updated pricing and details.